Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. You've got plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with a light bar installed under the grille there, as well as running boards down below. You've got some nice accessories on the outside. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you do have spacious seating for 3 that does fold completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And then you do also have fold-out cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet there. And your rear doors do fold all the way back to be in line with the body of the truck. But now looking at the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and tire locks. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 112,470 kilometers. But moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center screen here, where you can cycle through things such as a digital speedometer, just turn down the air conditioning there, as well as your trip 1 and 2, so your fuel mileage, all of that stuff, and then also your fuel economy and driver assist, so tire pressures, trailer sways, stuff like that, and settings for features around your vehicle and whatnot. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth, as well as auxiliary and USB, I believe. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then moving down, you do also have your climate controls down here, which are pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls, and below that, you have the switch for your light bar. To the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet, so you can power charge something. And down here, you have your auxiliary, USB, and another 12-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment to perhaps put a device in while it is charging. But then moving on to your center, we have 2 cup holders cubby and your armrest / compartment here, which is pretty spacious. But then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck as well. And then beneath that, you do have another compartment here with cup holders that fold out like so, and plenty of space for all of your stuff, whatever you want to put in there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.